Spencer Smith, Director of Libraries for the City of McKinney. Some of the changes you can expect when you come back into our libraries as we reopen them is the development and deployment of our new self-checkout systems. These should be very low touch, maybe even zero touch if you use a stylus. And we've expanded the number at both of our libraries so that you can get in, check out with sanitary solutions and not have to worry. We do have a new cleaning regimen that's been implemented as staff work in different zones, that we have times when they clean door handles, tables, chairs, computer keyboards, bathrooms, everything multiple times a day because the safety of our staff and the public is very foremost in our mind at this time. Some other things we've done, we will implement some signage so we can have reminders for social distancing. We've moved furniture around, we've moved the computers around, so no one should be forced to be close to someone that they don't already live with. Signage on the elevator, lots of things like that to keep that distance in mind and safe. We will no longer be quarantining items as they're returned. The practicality of that when we open back up just doesn't work with people browsing the collection. However, we are extending all checkout times to 3 weeks. So as people check items out, if they want to quarantine at home before they get into them for their safety, they won't lose any time with reading their materials. As we open back up, the library will resume normal operating hours, so no changes, no shortened schedules. We will continue to do curbside service pickup as well if you're just not comfortable coming back into the building, or you just enjoy the convenience of pulling up and having us come out and drop it in your car. We have no plans to stop curbside service in the future. It might be here to stay permanently. So don't worry if you've come to love that service, we're going to keep going with that. At this time, we have no plans to reintroduce in-person programming at the libraries, but we will continue to grow and expand our online programs and our virtual programs of lectures, crafts, interesting information and that you can find on our Facebook page. So keep tuning into those. We're going to keep working on those, especially throughout the summer. We'll have a series of virtual summer challenges that we can continue to keep your kids reading and involved throughout the summer. The excitement with staff as we reopen is palpable. We're excited to have you back in our buildings. We've missed you. The reason we all work here is because we enjoy helping people and helping you find books and working on computers. That's what drives us. However, you'll notice some differences. Staff will be wearing masks. That's for your safety and their safety. And they will also be keeping that social distance between you. So we're trying to coin the phrase assistance from a distance as we're helping you out from 6 feet away. For any future updates and all library-related information, you can subscribe to our newsletter that has just launched, and you can access that through mckinneypubliclibrary.org.